cows.
You ready to say hi?
Hi.
This is one of the reasons why we're vegan, huh? Because these tiny little baby cows, they don't get to be with their mommies and they're in cages. And it's really cold outside. We're wearing coats. Oh, they're just tiny babies. He's trying to, oh my gosh, he's suckling at my finger. He's trying to suckle. They need their mommies. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Get off
Look,
him.
it's okay. He's suckling my finger. Like how? Look, that baby's shaking. That baby is shaking. This baby wants to suckle my finger like how baby brother sucks at mommy's boobs. Oh, so scared. I wonder if people not been nice to you? Oh my god, they just look scared and sad. Oh my god. You can hear their moms. They're over on the other side. Hi, honey.
That was the meanest one.
This is why we're vegan, honey. Because look, these babies, they need their mommy's udders to suck on. Like baby brother, he needs to suck on mommy. I know they're cute, but they want their mommies. This means they want their mommies. That's what this means. They're trying to get comfort.
And why does buying things on them?
Yeah, I know. They put those things in their ears. It's really sharp. They put a really sharp needle through their ears and they put those things in their ears, and they're just babies and they just want their mommies. Hi, honey. Hi, sweetheart. This is a local dairy farm. This is what happens. These are the victims. These are the victims. These babies. These babies, they just want their mommies. They just want their mommies, and they're scared. They shouldn't be scared. They should be with their moms.
Look at like they're filled up with milk.
They need their mommy's milk, and they don't get it.
And what's that?
And that's water. They get water in a bucket, in the mud, in the cold. They poop and pee in here. Nobody to even say hi to them. They're suckling on my fingers like it's their mommies. They want their mommies.
Stop talking about it.
I know, it's sad, right? Ugh, it makes me so sad. Do you want to say hi to him?
Hi, cows.
And tell him we're sorry and that's why we're vegan.
Sorry, cows.
We're vegan because we want you to be with your mommies.
Those cages had been taken out.
They're stuck in these cages. People put them in